Hi guys, I'm going to Australia.
Where are you going?
Australia. At the airplane.
Going to
Australia. Going to vacation. I'm so excited. I got my headphones. That's good. I want to watch Home Alone. Yeah?
Hello everyone, to the passengers seated in economy, could you please take your iPad out of the seat? iPad holders. After takeoff, you're more than welcome to use the iPad holders.
Going to land.
finally.
It's already land.
So I cannot show the other thing. What were you saying?
It's already land. Let's see what Australia looks like, okay?
In 3, 2, 1.
Caleb will be delighted to see you.
Yeah.
Wait, welcome.
Kanina pa nga sabi niya gigisingin daw ba si Caleb?
Yes, magigising si Caleb for sure. Yung mga ganun sabi ko, gawa din tayo.
Na ano? Welcome. Kaya sabi ni Rael, meron pong paano? Pag ganun.
Isang mahabang ganun. Kamusta ang biyahe?
Ayan na, ayan na yung pa-welcome kay kay Rael. Welcome. Uy, thank you. Belated happy birthday.
DJ kayo eh.
Binuksan kayo?
Ha?
Nag-ano kayo?
Hindi, gumanon lang kami pero hindi na pinabuksan.
Pero dumaan kayo dun sa
Alin?
pinadaan yung maleta nyo
Hindi
sa...
na. Sabi ko lang instant noodles kasi siya.
Hey, I'm lacking one passport.
Alis tayo.
I'm lacking one passport.
Kanya pa kaya?
Success, walang na-detain.
Detain talaga.
Detain talaga eh.
Welcome to park! Let's go! Akin na yan, Brent. Give me. Don't disturb. Uy, nagtatalansition na sila. Dapat may ganun din tayo.
6171.
Baldovino. Ginugulo. 6171.
Maghanap kami ng strawberry tao.
Hindi yung park. Vera muna. Parking.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Drive, Baldavis.
Baldivis.
Magka-clubbing daw yung mga teen.
Ay, sorry.
Ano ba?
Diretso. Wow, it's an open kitchen. I love it. Aray ko. Asan na yung welcome drinks? Oh, ang lamig. Wow, this is the TV room. That's the TV room. Ah, dito. Yeah, we will eat.
Sorry. Pasok.
Diba ang ano, labahan.
Piling ko di mo makalas.
Ilan ba ang ano? Wow, may bathtub pa.
Pull out. Hindi na namin minove kasi kakalasin ni Carl. No?
Oo, okay lang.
Ito is
Kami naman ni ano magkatabi ni Brent. What happened?
They both on the same tooth.
Remember us?
You remember us? No na. Ha?
Tita Hans.
Tita Has. Tita Has.
Do you remember Brad? I hope that's your kid.
Kaso naglalakad naman kami sa nagkadragi kami. Sabi naman ng kasulbo, kumagawa ng lolo.